welcome to the Pilates Movement Refinery. I'm so excited to have you for class today. For this 15-minute Pilates Express session, I will be guiding you through a lean lifted legs workout. For this session, it is not required to have a Pilates ring. However, you can use one if you have it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. Go ahead and meet me on your mat, on your back. As we begin, I want you to go ahead and place the ring, if you have it, in between your palms. And if you do not have the ring, just keep your palms extended, fingertips reaching up towards the ceiling, and pretend you're pressing your ring in between your palms. Go ahead and relax the pelvis with legs hip distance apart. The back of the calf should be slightly touching the back of the thigh. From here, I want you to take a nice large inhale through your nose, and as you exhale through the mouth, I want you to lift your bottom up towards the ceiling and press the ring in between your palms. Inhale, relax the bottom towards the mat, and exhale, press up. Inhale, we lower, tap the bottom to the mat, and exhale, press up. And repeat. Making sure to engage your abdominals and your glutes as you press your bottom up towards the ceiling, incorporating your lateral breathing technique in proper form during this session today. As you lift up, making sure there is a nice line, straight line from the knee to the top of the shoulder blade. Minimizing rib flare. So if you feel like your ribs are starting to pop out, go ahead and gather them back in. And repeat. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, we lift up and engage the abdominals and glutes at the top. Stay with me, moving at a nice, consistent pace, a pace that feels comfortable to you today. On the inhale, the breath is directed towards the sides and the back of the rib cage. And as you exhale, make sure to expel the air fully and the pelvic floor and relax. Two more times. Warming up the glutes here. All right, just before we incorporate some leg action. Last time. Nicely done. From here, go ahead and bring the ring, if you have it, through the legs. So I want the pads on the ring to be at the sides of the knees. From here, you're going to press your palms and your forearm into the mat, relaxing the neck. Inhale to prepare, and as you exhale, I want you to lift up, pause at the top. Inhale, and as you exhale, extend one leg long and engage that glute on the side that the leg is lifted. Inhale to prepare, and exhale, lift the opposite leg, extending the leg long, reach long through the toes, think lengthening the muscles. And again, we're engaging the glute on the side that the leg is lifted. Maintaining equal tension throughout the ring from your right and left sides. This also helps engage core muscles. It's one of the purposes of the Pilates ring is to keep those glutes and those abdominals engaged throughout whichever movement you are going through. Again, moving at a consistent pace that feels comfortable to you. Press the mat away from you with your palms and your forearms and make sure your rib cage is not flaring. So we're alternating marches here. Again, this move can be done without a ring. Keep the bottom lifted. Maintain your lateral breathing technique. See if you can lift up a little higher without that rib cage flare. Should feel the muscles on the side of the glutes, so your glute med and glute min start to get warm. So we're bending and extending for 3, 2, and last time. Nicely done. Inhale, pause, and exhale. Go ahead and tap your bottom to the mat. Lift the bottom up and press the ring out to the sides laterally. So you're going to tap your bottom to the mat. Exhale, lift, press the ring out to the sides, and lower. Lift, press the ring, and repeat this sequence. Keep active arms. Okay. Relax the neck. Inhale to lower, exhale, press up. Press the ring out to the sides. 2 more times. Last time, press up, press the ring away, and lower down. Nicely done. From here, you're gonna roll to your side. So moving into our side lying work, I'm going to go ahead and place the ring here by your ankles, and we're going to externally rotate at the hip joint. Extending your bottom arm long, I want you to rest your head on your bicep. From here, we want to press the mat away with our top palm, lift up through the obliques, so your side body. There should be a small lift here. From here, relaxing the neck, we inhale to prepare, and as you exhale, I want you to zip up through the core and lift both legs up. So we lower, inhale, prepare, exhale, lift. Again, paying special attention to make sure the hip bones are externally rotated at the joint there. All right. Exhale to lift. Inhale, we lower, and exhale, lift. So side lying leg lift. We're also attacking the obliques. Inhale, prepare, and exhale, lift. Maintain equal tension in the right and left foot, pressing the ring out side to side. As you lift, inhale, lower, and exhale, lift. Last time. You should feel this in your side glute. Nice work. From here, you're going to bend the top knee, press yourself up, slide the ring down underneath the knee, bring the top leg through. Now bend both knees here, 90 degrees, knee hip flexion. Maintain this bottom arm extended long, reach long through the fingertips, relax the neck. Lift up through the side, press your top palm into the mat. Inhale to prepare, and as you exhale, while keeping the bottom leg down, I want you to lift the top leg up. Inhale to prepare, and exhale, lift. So we're attacking here our hip abductor muscles. Inhale to prepare, exhale to lift. Press the ring away from you as you lift up. Should feel those hip abductor muscles, so on the side of your hip here, nice and warm. Making sure we're not sinking or melting into the mat. We want to stay lifted through the side obliques. We're lowering and lifting. Press the mat away from you with this top palm, or for more of a challenge for your balance and stability, you can always extend this top arm into the air, reach along through the fingertips. So picking your variation, whichever feels best to you today. For 2. Last one. Nice work. From here, we're going to press the mat away from us as we glide the bottom palm up. Go ahead and take the legs out. Switching to the opposite side. So, extending both legs through. We're going to externally rotate there at the hip joint. Coming down onto our side. Extend this Bottom arm long, reach long through the fingertips, relax the neck, lift up through the obliques. From here, we extend both legs long. Press this top palm into the mat. We inhale to prepare, zip up through the core, and exhale to lift both legs up. Inhale, prepare, exhale, double leg lift. So we want to lift and lower with control. Incorporating that lateral breathing technique. So picture your rib cage moving in and out, kind of like an accordion. Inhale, prepare, exhale, lift. Inhale, lower, 3 more. Last time. Nicely done. From here, you're going to press yourself up. Go ahead and place the ring at the side of the knee here. Relax the head on top of the bicep, extend the fingers long. With both knees bent 90 degrees knee hip flexion, we lift up through the obliques, press the top palm into the mat. Inhale to prepare and exhale to lift. Press the ring away from you. Inhale, prepare, and exhale, lift. Targeting your hip abductor muscles now on the opposite side. Relax any tension you might have through the neck. Making sure to really maximize your breath work to your advantage here. As we breathe correctly in Pilates, utilizing that diaphragmatic or lateral breathing technique, this helps to oxygenate the muscles properly, as well as engaging in proper form. Inhale, prepare, and exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. For 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. From here, you're gonna press yourself up. Go ahead and take the ring off the legs. Swivel the legs around. We're coming now onto our stomach. So let's begin by pressing the ring out away from us, setting that down for just a moment. Stack the palms, relax the forehead to the palms. Extending both legs long and externally rotating at the hip joint. So heels together, toes away. Go ahead and press your elbows into the mat. We inhale to prepare, and as you exhale, I'm going to tuck the tailbone under, engaging the abdominals and glutes, and you lift both legs up at the same time. Inhale, lower, and exhale, lift. Inhale to lower, and exhale, lift. Try to refrain from those shoulders shrugging. By pressing the elbows down, that can help with that. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Keep the legs long. Try not to bend at the knees. Targeting your hip extensor muscles now. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Moving through at a nice, consistent pace. Making sure to not rush on your way down. As well as maintaining that active equal engagement through the glutes and the abdominals to minimize any tension through the low back region. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. For 5, 4, keep those elbows pressing into the mat. 3, 2, And last time. Beautiful. Go ahead and lower it back down. From here, I want you to go ahead and bring the legs mat distance apart, holding on to your ring now, moving into our full body move for this session. So extend the ring in front of you. Again, extend the legs long. Inhale to prepare, and as you exhale, tuck the tailbone under, engage your abdominals and glutes, and we lift everything up. So inhale, prepare and lower, and exhale, we come right back up. Inhale, lower, exhale, lift. Beautiful. Moving at a nice controlled pace here. The gaze is down at the mat. We don't want to have a kink through the back of the neck, so think elongation from the base of the occipital down through the spine into the toes. Beautiful. For 5, 4, keep the legs externally rotated at the hip joint. 3, 2, maintain that engagement through the abdominals and the glutes. Tuck the tailbone under. Last time. Press up, lower back down. Nice work. Go ahead and let go of the ring. You're going to place your palms at your side and press yourself up and back. Bring the toes together, knees apart. Extend the hands in front of you. Relax the head to the mat. Giving that low back just a little rest here. Take a nice large inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Again, we inhale. Expand the lungs with air and exhale through the mouth. Beautiful. Go ahead and press yourself up and come to the center of your mat. Let's go ahead and end our session with just a few breaths. Okay. So while either placing your hands on your knees, or you can place them around your rib cage to help with some biofeedback, feeling that rib cage expand and contract. So from here, we inhale through the nose, feel the rib cage pressing out into the hands laterally. Exhale through the mouth. Beautiful. Again, we inhale, keep the shoulders down, okay? So the movement should be coming from that rib cage. And exhale. Making sure to expel the air fully, feel the rib cage come together. Again, we inhale. And exhale. Helping to bring our body back into that parasympathetic nervous system state. Okay? Again, last time, inhale. And exhale. Nice work today. Thank you so much for joining me for this lean lifted legs quick express workout. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I can't wait to see you in the next session. Bye-bye.